Good morning everybody and welcome to Advanced Pattern Trader. I know it's been a while since I put a video out, but this afternoon I've been flicking through my charts here on TradingView and I've noticed on the AUS-CAD pair that there's a couple of advanced patterns setting up. So depending on which way you look at the retracements and price action, you can see just here that you have a Gartley and a Bat pattern. The Gartley unfortunately completed back up here, and the Bat pattern also just completed. But I'm going to go ahead and do the ratios, and I'm going to get this video on YouTube for you. And if anyone wants to take advantage of these particular trades, that they're more than welcome to. So first thing we need to look at is A's down here. I'm just going to move through this pretty quickly. So A, B, and C. So this applies to both the Gartley and the Bat. So we'll go swing low, not to swing high for the first step. We'll do the Bat pattern first. So A's here, B, and then C. We know the Bat pattern, we need a 50% retracement. So I'm going to go ahead here, draw this one in, A to B down to C. We'll get rid of the fib, and now we need another one. We need a 61.8 from B to C, and we know that comes in here, right here. So we know that's another valid pattern, or another valid leg of the pattern. Delete that. I made a mistake, I'm sorry guys. It's A, B. I am trying to rush this, and you will understand at the end. So A, B, C, X is here. I would normally restart and edit that, but because of the trades just completing now, I won't bother about it. So we've got X, A, B, C is down here. I'll just draw this back in for us so we know exactly where it is. Yep, so we know it comes in here. And for the Bat pattern, we know we want a 88.6 for D. So we'll go to just into here. Comes down to here somewhere. So we'll just continue bringing this down. Get rid of that. And we want X to A. We want an 88.6, which for us is right there. So you can see there that the Bat pattern completes at 96.47. We would have our stops below X, which would be, I run about 20 pips, but this is completely up to you. This is an educational video only. I just want to get this video on YouTube because it's a pretty good setup, only because there's two patterns here. We've got D here, and that's the Bat pattern. So I'm just going to write over here. Bat completion at 96.475. Which is obviously depending on your brokers. Allow for spread, whatnot. X below, stops below X. We all know that. So we'll leave that over there. That's for the Bat pattern. Now we'll go through the motions for the Gartley pattern here quickly. So X is just up here. A is still the same. B is still the same. C is still the same, and D is very similar. But we will go through it. So we'll grab our fib retracement. We'll go from X up to A, which brings B here at a 61.8. Again, we'll go through and draw it in so it makes more sense to you guys. Delete that. X to B. We always go to the wick, so it's still a 61.8, which is still up here. The C's down there. Draw it in, and we'll just adjust it accordingly. Make this one look better. So B's here, C's there. And now we want a 127 extension of A to B. Fib extension A to B, up to C, and our 127 is back up here. So as you can see, it has gone right through the completion, but stops would be below down here at 96,387. So we know it's still a valid trade, and also obviously a risk reward would also be better. One thing with the Gartley, if you don't want to do the 127 extension, you can look for a what is it, a 78.6 retracement of next to A. So you would be up here somewhere. Again, better risk reward. It has gone through your entry, but I'm going to stick with the 127 because that's what my trading plan says. So we'll go A to B, back up to A, write a note in, and we will go kids in the background, how lovely are they? Gartley completion. At the 127, which is 96,579. Rightio. So there's the two patterns there, both the bat and the Gartley. If we just bring it in a little bit, once we break this support here at 96.38, there's not really anything until 93. So you can see here that we've broken all our major supports and resistances down here. Bring it out to a daily. That doesn't really look good, does it? Down here, yeah, down here at 93. So we've got a little bit of support here. If we break that, yeah, it could just could fall. But nonetheless, it is a valid setup and is a valid trade. I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to edit it, guys. I'm not going to mess with it too much because I want to get it up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel, and I'll work harder on getting more videos out. Thanks very much. Bye.